Today we will be discussing how to change the latch spring on your Series 4000, 5000, and 5005 reels. You would want to change your latch spring as a part of basic maintenance, or if your reel is not holding tension or no longer holding your hose or cord at your desired length. To start, remove all spring tension from your reel. Also, turn off supply lines and remove all pressure from the hose. Be sure to follow all safety protocols. Next, remove the swivel using an appropriately sized crescent wrench. Remove snap ring from main shaft and remove the spacing washer. Use a 3/8 socket to remove the 3 bolts from the center hub. Once the 3 bolts are removed, grasp both sheaves and lift straight up and set aside together. Be careful to not let the sheaves slide. Remove the old spring. Add new spring by hooking the loop onto the latch cam. Reverse these steps to reinstall reel. Retention reel to desired pull force. Thank you for your support and joining us today at Reelcraft.